Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to change white t-shirt into any color of your choice. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Okay, so I have my model's image over here, and I'll be changing his t-shirt color from white to any color of my choice. So I'll first make a selection of the t-shirt. So right click here and select object selection. Make sure the mode is set to lasso. Then make a selection. Just draw around. So just draw around the model to make a selection of this white t-shirt. So something like this. Now let's wait for the selection to be made. Let me check. Photoshop did well, but then we'll have to refine it a little bit. I'll select my pen tool and add this part. I like to add these parts to the selection. So when you are making the selection, just take your time to make the selection. So I'll make the selection over here. I'll add this part to the selection rather. Once I'm done, I'll hold down the Shift Command Enter. So if you're on Windows, it will be Shift Control Enter. And then let me add this side to the selection. So I'll left click here. Let me add this part to the selection. Then something like this, okay. So Shift Command Enter once again, or Shift Control Enter. Let me add this part also to the selection. Once again, I'll hold down the Shift Command Enter or Shift Control Enter. So with this done, whilst my selection is active, I'll add the curves adjustment layer. So you can see that the curves adjustment layer came with the t-shirt selection that we made. Left click here and then drag it down. So something like this is okay. Then left click the middle and drag it down. So something like this is okay for me. And then when you check the edges aren't looking good. So what we do is, to fix that, hold down the Command or Control key and left click in the layer mask once to activate the selection once again. Then with the selection active once again, go to Select, Modify, and then select Expand. Over here, let's set the expand value to 1 pixels. Then select your brush to make sure the foreground color is set to white and paint around the edges. Gently paint around the edges. Something like this. Okay. Nice. Once you're done, press Command D or Control D to deselect it. Okay. But then the black t-shirt is looking a bit dark. So let's add some shine to it. To do that, click here to add another layer mask. Select this side to clip it onto the first curves adjustment layer, that's curves 1. And then left click and hold and drag it from the white from the right to the left. So let's go with something like 170. Now select this side, go to FX and select blending options. Over here, we'll be working with the underlining layer. So left click this side and then drag it to the right. Now hold down the Option or Alt key, left click and hold to split it and drag this one to the right. So let's go with something like let's go with 60 and let's push this one back. So let's go with let's go with 30 and click on OK. Now let me zoom in a little bit and let's see that we've added some shine to our t-shirt. Okay, so let's say you want to change it into any other color. What we'll do is we'll add a hue saturation adjustment and then clip that one also onto the curves 1 layer. That's the first adjustment that we created, the one with the t-shirt selection. So with the hue saturations layer selected, check the colorized thing over here, and I think this first color is okay for me, so I'll press Command J to duplicate the hue saturation, then turn this off. Hold down my Alt or Option key and clip this one onto this again. Then I can change it to another color. I think this color is also looking good. So let me duplicate it. Press Ctrl J or Command J to duplicate it. I'll clip it onto this one too again. Then let me change it to another color. This color also isn't bad. Can increase the intensity of it. And I think I like this color too. So let's see. So here's the first color, second color, third color. Let's add one last one. I'll press Command J to duplicate it again. Turn off the visibility of this one. Hold down the Option or Alt key to clip it onto our layer mask over here, our adjustment layers over here. Then let's see. Let's go with this. So let's go with something like this. I think this color also isn't bad. So now we've changed our t-shirt color from white to black, and then we've added other colors too as well. So these are the other colors too. Nice. Okay guys, so this is how to easily change a white t-shirt into any color of your choice. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.